Hey, I pulled my headphones out so you can see me a little bit better, and so I can talk to you a little bit clearer without yelling because I got my headphones in. This is what I plan on putting in there. It's called Levelline. I really like Levelline. And so here it is. I rolled it out to size. I folded it in half, so like this, and I creased it. But with this stuff too, because I'm putting it in a 90-degree angle, I like to go the other direction too. So I like to fold this thing back and forth. I fold it one direction, and then I like to fold it the other direction like this, so it's got some flexibility in it. And so let me do that. And now, when I go to put this in, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to mud this. I'm going to cut it at this angle right. So, put this angle in here like this. And I need to snip this back just a hair. So I need to cut this angle right so it fits in here. Now, I'm going to fit this in. I'm going to mud this angle up. I'm going to fit this in, crease it into that angle, and then wipe it out. So, you don't need to see me do that. So let me shut this camera off for a second. All right, so I got it all in. Like I said, this is Levelline. It's a paper product, right? So you can see, but on the back side, it's got a little piece of plastic that's right here in the middle, so it can move. This can move. And understand, well, watch what I do when I get over there. As I mud this, I do not have to go right into that angle. I can stay off of this angle, and I can mud this way down here like this, just like that there, and I can stay right off of that. That's paper. Okay, and what happens now is this can move. This can go up and down through the seasons and everything else and not crack here because there's no mud right in that angle. So as long as it doesn't pop loose where the papers take to the wall, this should be good. It might go weird and everything else, but it shouldn't crack anymore. That's my hope anyway. But only time will tell. But this wall does move an awful lot. I can tell that for sure. And so I'm not 100% convinced that this will never happen again, just because of the construction of this wall. I told you this wall is loose, and there's nothing there to fasten the stuff to. I actually just had that problem on a house, a job I did in West Chicago, and there's no way I could guarantee that wall's not going to crack again, because I can pretty much guarantee it is. The minute somebody walks on that ceiling, that wall's going to crack. So, this is one of my homemade knives. And it fits perfectly. And this is all I need to do, is just kind of coat that edge. But I have to coat it a couple of times. Just once isn't going to be good enough. So I'm going to have to coat it a couple of times. But that's it. I just have to coat this edge all the way up and down. And then I have to, this was actually a bad spot where I have to go right into the angle because a big chunk came out of here. And then I'm gonna completely coat this ceiling up. I told you this was a popcorn ceiling, and they scraped it off as good as they could. And then it's got a heavy texture to it, and I'm going to completely coat the ceiling out today too. So, but that's it. That's all I have to do now is strip this seam, or just strip the side of the angles, and I can keep the mud right out of the angle. I don't have to bring my mud right into the angle like I would if it was tape or fibafuse or something else. So that's it. I'll talk to you soon. I gotta get to work. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.